What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you, and I'm really excited because I'm doing a slime trade. It's been I would say a couple of months maybe, I don't know. The last slime trade that I did was with Nicole Jacqueline. This time I'm trading with Rainbow Playmaker and I'm so excited. Rainbow Playmaker is literally killing the game. That's my girl, I love her so much. So make sure you go ahead and check out the description box down below so that you can go ahead and see what slimes that I gave her. If you're excited to see all the slime that she sent me, make sure you give this video a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the unicorn fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you so very freaking much for having your post notifications on and just for always being early and consistent. Thank you. If you would like a unicorn fam shoutout, all you have to do is comment down below using hashtag unicorn fam. Make sure you're subscribed obviously because it is for my unicorn babies, and also turn on that post notification bell so that you get notified when I upload. Alrighty y'all, I am really excited to show you all these slimes because they slayed so hard. So let's get started, shall we? I am so excited to show you all what Rainbow Playmaker sent me. So when you first open the box, there's obviously some tissue paper just to make it look a little cuter. And then there's this really cute card here. It actually shows you how to care for the snow slime. So cloud cream, cloud slimes, and jelly slime. And it has her logo on the back, which I thought was pretty cool. And it's just a really cute card. And then, I'm so shook, she sent me a 3-pack of Pop Rocks. It came with watermelon, strawberry, and pineapple. So thank you very much. And then it also came with 1 gallon of instant snow from Snow Wonder. She loves Snow Wonder. I love Snow Wonder. Snow Wonder, she sent it to me. Did you get it? It was supposed to be a joke. I am literally so lame. That was such a dad joke, and I'm not even a dad, but whatever. So these are the slimes that it came with. There's so many slimes that Rainbow Playmaker sent me, and I'm so shook. And look at these wristbands. They're so freaking cute. They're like rainbow kind of ombre kind of colored wristbands with Rainbow Playmaker on them. And this is all the slime. Again, so shook. She even sent me this little activator bottle with borax in it. All I have to do is add water into it and dilute it, and then you have a little fix-it spray, so that is pretty cool too. So the first slime I want to show you is super iconic. It is her #1 bestseller. This is her clear gloss, and it is so clear, like literally clearer than my future, clearer than anything, like super clear. You can literally see my fingers go right through this. I am shook to the core. I am literally at a loss for words as well because the texture of it is just so amazing. Like, it's not hard, but it's not sticky. It's like the perfect slime texture, I would say. Like, it didn't need any activator. It needed literally nothing, and it was just so perfect. And it sat here for probably 3 weeks, so you know what I mean? Like, this is just goals. This next slime here is the Rose Gold Rainbow Playmaker Metallic Gloss Slime, and I'm so excited that she sent me this and blessed me because I have been wanting this slime forever. It is so beautiful. Just look at that color shift. It is amazing. I love it so much. This had the exact same texture as the clear gloss slime, and I don't know what it is. Like, obviously a clear texture is kind of just like a basic texture, but this feels nothing like a normal clear base slime. I don't know what she does. I don't know her secret, but it's amazing and you need to snatch it. Next up, she sent me this really bright blue bubblegum cloud slime, and I love this one so much. It's even topped off with some really cute iridescent and blue glitters. I really like this cloud slime. Please don't judge this cloud slime off of my drizzles, because as we all know, if you're a fan of this channel, if you're a unicorn, you know I suck at drizzling. But this one had really nice drizzles even for me, and you know, I'm just not the best at them, unfortunately. This was such a really nice cloud slime though, and I loved this bubblegum scent. I'm not too sure what bubblegum scent exactly it was. It almost kind of smelled tropical to me, but I really liked that, and I definitely would say that if you see this on her shop, or if you're going to Slime Bash, you should definitely snatch this from Rainbow Playmaker because it's great. This is my horrible attempt at drizzling. Yeah, I'm not very good at it, I'm telling you. I usually hit my microphone. My microphone kind of sticks out of my camera and it's just a mess. Yeah, it's not great. The slime is really good though. Please do not judge it off of my drizzles. It needs justice. Justice for this cloud slime. This next one I really loved. This one is called Party Cake, and it is actually a cloud butter. So she takes like a cloud slime, a full cloud slime, and then a butter slime, and kind of combines it together. And I think that is such a great idea, and I definitely need to try that. And it's topped off with these rainbow sprinkles, and they just look super cute. I really love the scent of this as well. It had a really nice birthday cakey kind of smell, and it's just really good. It had a really unique texture because it almost drizzled exactly like a cloud slime, but it was spreadable and buttery just like a butter slime. So like, shook much? Next up, we have another iconic metallic gloss slime. This one is called Pink, Red, Blue, and I really love it. You can really see all three of those colors in this slime. This one is just so freaking beautiful. Look at the color of it. It kind of reminded me of like a little jellyfish or something. Like, it's just so freaking cute. It is unscented, of course, and just amazing. And of course, it has her clear gloss texture. Shook. What else can I say? This next slime here is actually a jelly slime, and if you didn't know, Rainbow Playmaker literally has like the thickest jelly slimes in the game. Just saying. This one is Slurp Jelly, and I believe it is from, I was gonna say Minecraft. No, what is it called? Shoot. The new game, Fortnite. That's what it is. Sorry, I'm such a mess. I don't play games, so I don't know, but look at how thick that is. It is amazing. It's like a little blue layer at the bottom and then a green layer on top. It smelled really nice as well, kind of tropically, and it's just a really nice jelly slime, and I loved it. It's super thick and great. This slime is literally so thick, it doesn't even want to stay put when I poke it. How crazy is that? And lastly, we have another iconic metallic gloss with that clear gloss base. I love this one so much. It's called Flamingo. It's a very pretty pink color, and it's just pink metallic, but it's really nice because it has that really unique rainbow Playmaker clear gloss texture. Like I'm saying, it doesn't feel like a normal clear base slime. You have to feel it for yourself. I really can't even put it into words. It's just great. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of the slimes are your favorite. I think my favorite had to be either the red, blue, and purple slime or the clear gloss because I really love those. Also, don't forget this is a collab, so in the description box below there is a link to Rainbow Playmaker's video. If you want to see what slimes I gave her, some iconic stuff, make sure you go ahead and check that out. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Talk behind my back, but never up in my face, though. I just want my money, chips, guac, and queso. Dame un beso.